Let me go ahead and welcome everybody to what's a very special project. There are 80 units in this facility, and also we have St. Francis Park, basketball courts, a playground facility.
I am so excited and pleased about what's happened over the last 2 or 3 years with the renovation. They upgraded, people can be comfortable. Everything here is an asset to this community. And I want to thank the City of Anderson, the developers, and all the partners.
We were impressed with the vision of Related Affordable and their plans to renovate the current Friendship Court apartment complex.
Just to give you a few more details on what we did here at Friendship Court, that included full unit interior upgrades, bathrooms, kitchens, floors, appliances, everything from top to bottom, including conversion to the central AC. Replaced all the roofs, replaced all the windows, the landscaping, the walkways, added this new perimeter fence to help improve security in partnership with the police department, redesigned and modernized the community building, new site-wide Wi-Fi, both in the common spaces and the units that will be free to the residents. The other thing that we did here in partnership with Kaboom and the city is this beautiful park. It's an amazing public-private partnership, and the end result is fantastic.
We were really impressed with camaraderie among the residents, among the developers, among our city staff to put all this together. So again, I want to thank our funding partner, Related Affordable Foundation, Kaboom, and also the City Council for supporting your vision.
It was a team effort. It added value to our property. It made our residents feel more comfortable, and I am proud to call Friendship Court my home.